Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to show you another set of a how-to guide. In this video, I'm going to show you how to share a YouTube video on PowerPoint. This guide can help you out with just a few steps. To get started, the first thing that you need to do is to open YouTube on your browser. Now on YouTube, select a video that you want to embed on your PowerPoint presentation. Scroll down and click on the share button that you'll find below the video. Now in here, click on the first option, embed, to be able to embed your YouTube video on Microsoft PowerPoint. Now click on the copy button to be able to copy all this information for your PowerPoint presentation. Now let's go to your PowerPoint presentation. In here, click on insert, which you'll find on the tools section. Now click on video. So once you click on video, you can select which type of video to add. Now click on online video. Now in here, paste the information that you've copied from YouTube to embed the YouTube video. Now go ahead and click on the insert button, and this will be inserted on your PowerPoint presentation. And there you have it, folks. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. If you did, please don't forget to give us a like and subscribe for more videos like this. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.